Hey, this is Fuchsia from Lune, and this is my first fluid acrylic painting. The paints are basically 2 parts floetrol American to 1 part paint. After the paint, you mix in water to get the consistency that you need. You want a very fluid consistency. This has no silicone or any other additives. This is a flip cup technique. The red was a mix of a metallic and a flat acrylic. The yellow was also a mix with a gold, metallic, and a flat yellow. Stretching the painting. I want to give a shout out to Life is Kumquat. They have some amazing acrylic pouring videos on their YouTube channel, and it was their channel that got me into this. You can see some cells forming. Might have had a little too much paint for this canvas. It's an 8 by 10. My glove threatened to mess up the painting. In hindsight, I probably should have worn the tighter fitting polyurethane gloves. It kind of got a little bowed as it was drying. Part of the problem there is those little yellow canvas stands under the canvas were positioned kind of in the middle of the canvas, and so it kind of bowed, but I was able to move them closer to the corners, and that helped. But in hindsight, I should have had them closer to the corners from the get-go. It definitely transformed as it dried. Another lesson that I learned is mix paints outside or wear a respirator. I started to get a little lightheaded, and I started seeing crazy psychedelic spots, and I thought it was because I was hungry, but turns out it was because the fumes were getting to me. Here's the close-up results. You can see the sparkles in there from the metallics. Some cool cells. I did not use a heat gun on this piece. Not bad for a first attempt. I haven't painted since high school, so this is super fun. And I will definitely be doing more. So if you liked what you saw or you learned something new, make sure to hit like, and I would love it if you could subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.